Come over. Come over is to visit someone at their home, usually in a friendly or casual way. When someone comes over, it means they travel to your place. This could be your house, apartment, or wherever you're staying. It feels warm, friendly, and personal. Americans use it all the time when inviting friends, family, or neighbors. Come over often suggests comfort and closeness. It's not formal, and you wouldn't use it in a business situation. It's perfect for invitations, casual plans, or spending time with people you care about. If you hear someone in the United States say, "Hey, you should come over sometime," that means they genuinely want you to visit them. Now imagine that you have an exam that you need to study for, and you would like to invite a friend of yours from school to your house to study together. You could say, "Do you want to come over later and study together?" Or maybe your sister went to your house earlier this morning. You could say, "My sister came over this morning for coffee." We could also say, "They're coming over tonight to watch the game." You've invited some friends and they're going to visit your house later. They're coming over tonight to watch the game. Or maybe you have a friend that's going through a difficult time and you want to let them know that they can come visit you anytime. You could say, "You can come over anytime. You're always welcome." Now, repeat after me. Come over. Come over. Come over. In the past, it would be came over. Came over. Came over. Can you come over later? They came over yesterday. You're welcome to come over anytime.